Have you been arrested or charged with a misdemeanor in Florida? Many people hear the term misdemeanor and assume it is not a serious offense. However, a misdemeanor conviction can still result in jail time, probation, substantial fines, and a permanent criminal record. In this video, I'll explain what a misdemeanor is under Florida law and what penalties may apply. Under Florida law, criminal offenses are generally divided into two categories: misdemeanors and felonies. A misdemeanor is a criminal offense that is punishable by no more than 1 year in the county jail. While misdemeanors are generally less serious than felonies, they should never be taken lightly. Florida classifies misdemeanors into two different levels. The first is a second-degree misdemeanor. A second-degree misdemeanor is typically punishable by up to 60 days in jail, up to 6 months of probation, and a fine of up to $500. Some common examples of second-degree misdemeanors are assault, disorderly conduct, reckless driving, prostitution, no valid driver's license, and driving while license suspended. The second category is a first-degree misdemeanor. A first-degree misdemeanor is punishable by up to 1 year in jail, up to 1 year of probation, and a fine of up to $1,000. Common examples include battery, racing on a highway, resisting an officer without violence, soliciting prostitution, stalking, and violation of an injunction. One of the biggest misconceptions about misdemeanor charges is that they only result in a fine. That is simply not true. Many misdemeanor offenses carry the possibility of incarceration, and judges can impose jail sentences depending on the facts of the case, the defendant's criminal history, and other relevant circumstances. Even when jail is avoided, a misdemeanor conviction can create long-term consequences. A criminal record may affect employment opportunities, professional licenses, housing applications, educational opportunities, and background checks for years to come. If you are arrested for a misdemeanor offense, your case will typically proceed through several stages of the criminal justice process. These stages may include an arrest, first appearance before a judge, arraignment, discovery, negotiations, and potentially a trial. During that process, it is important to understand that the state bears the burden of proving the charge beyond a reasonable doubt. Depending on the facts of the case, there may be defenses available, weaknesses in the evidence, constitutional issues, or opportunities to pursue dismissal, diversion programs, or reduce charges. If you have been charged with a misdemeanor in Tampa, Hillsborough County, or the surrounding areas, Hunt Law may be able to help. Call Hunt Law today at 813-787-4849 for a free case consultation. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more information about Florida criminal law.